IIP at Shillong Recruitment 2024 notification for qualitative researcher vacancy. The Indian Institute of Public Health Shillong, IIP at Shillong, a Northeast Regional Institute of Public Health invites application for the post of qualitative researcher. The application deadline is 11th of April 2024. So these are the posts. Post name, qualitative researcher. Number of posts 1, location Shillong, Meghalaya. Minimum qualification, master in public health or social work, development studies or psychology and allied discipline. Desirable of qualifications, number 1, knowledge of conducting qualitative research, good written and oral communication skills. Candidates will be shortlisted for the interviews. Experience 3 to 5 years of experience in community and research projects. So how to apply for IIPS Shillong Recruitment 2024 Qualitative Researcher? Interested candidate may upload the required data in the Google Form links. Apply online for IIPS Shillong Recruitment 2024 Qualitative Researcher direct link. CV format, full name, address and contact details including email and phone number. Educational qualification, diploma or degrees, years and institute qualified from. Language skills, spoken written skill, software skills. Work experience, positions, job titles, organization duration. If none, please state nil. Research experience and publications, if any. Referees, 2 persons who you have worked or trained under. Any other relevant informations. So applicants are advised to go through the IIPH Law Recruitment 2024 Qualitative Researcher Vacancy official notification. And I request for the peoples of Meghalaya or the Khasi people, you please fill up for the post of this researcher, and those who have qualified or have the diploma or degrees for the researcher institute, so you please apply for the following post.